We have time with that stretch.
The other part of me is just like, just push this, get this out of the way, pull or push this.
Here's that.
There's different ways to skin a cat. But I'm like, okay, if I just get this out of the way, it also gives strength to the panel, right?
Yeah.
By pushing this and getting it out, it helps. Then I start here, and then I'm only left with that. That's the other part of me is like, well, that's kind of backwards, because usually you start the big shit first.
Usually you start from the harder.
Right. But I'm like, well, if I get all of this first, then that just helps that make it stronger, you know?
Yeah, but when you go up, even holding more that.
Maybe. But obviously, less pushing is pulling.
Yeah.
So if we pull, it's like, where do we pull first to be smart about the whole thing?
No, maybe I try to stretch. I forget the other. Okay.